Did you know that less than 20% of the diamonds mined in the world are suitable for jewelry? From rough stones buried deep in the earth to dazzling gems that sparkle your favorite ring, the journey of a diamond is nothing short of miraculous. In this video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of diamond creation. You'll discover how these precious stones are unearthed, cut, and polished to perfection. Whether you're a jewelry enthusiast or just curious about the magic behind these stunning gems, you're in for an exciting adventure. Let's begin. The journey in creating a flawless diamond begins with exploration. Geologists use a variety of methods to locate kimberlites, which are the primary sources of diamonds. Think of this as a high-tech treasure hunt where tools like satellite remote sensing, geophysics, and sampling are used to find these hidden gems. Once a potential kimberlite is found, it's time for some serious digging. By drilling into these formations, experts can determine if there are enough diamonds to make mining worthwhile. This step is all about figuring out if the treasure is worth the hunt. Once a promising site is identified, it's time for the real action: mining. There are two main types of mining used to extract diamond: open pit mining and underground mining. Open pit mining is like peeling back the layers of a giant onion. Miners remove the layers of sand and rock above the kimberlite to expose the ore. Imagine the ground shaking as a single blast breaks up to 45,000 tons of ore. After the explosion, huge excavators scoop up the broken ore and load it into massive trucks that haul it to the primary crushers. One example of this type of mining is the Venetia mine. Underground mining is where things get a bit more adventurous. Miners create tunnels through the Earth's crust to reach the kimberlite pipes. These tunnels are like secret passageways leading to hidden treasures. The miners work on two levels, one for undercutting the ore zone and initiating the caving process, and the other for extracting the bulk of the ore. It's a complex yet interesting process where load haul dumpers transport the ore to a crusher, which then takes it to the surface for further processing. This underground method, known as block caving, was first introduced at Kimberley in 1951. Has become a popular and safe way to mine large ore bodies. It allows miners to extract a high percentage of ore compared to other underground methods, making it a key part of the diamond journey. Next comes the process of alluvial mining. Over thousands of years, the forces of nature like wind, rain, and flowing rivers slowly wear away the kimberlite pipes, the original homes of diamonds. This process sends rough diamonds on a journey downstream through ancient river channels. Some of these diamonds settle in these old riverbeds, while others are washed away to the ocean, ending up on ancient beaches. Over time, these precious stones get buried under layers of sand, mud, clay, and even underwater plants. Interestingly, the first diamonds discovered in South Africa were found in these alluvial deposits. Today, alluvial mining is a major part of the diamond industry. Think of it as a giant treasure hunt where teams of people work to uncover the layers of material that have buried the diamond-rich gravel. They use various methods to remove the sand, mud, and clay until they reach the gravel layer. This gravel is then collected and transported to a production plant for processing. It's like panning for gold, but on a much larger scale, because these diamonds have been tumbled and polished by nature over time. They tend to be smaller, but of a high quality and value. It's like finding little gems that nature has already done some of the polishing on. Another way of mining for diamonds is marine mining. Instead of looking for diamonds on land, we now venture deep into the ocean, hundreds of meters underwater. Early marine mining was quite an adventure. Swimmers would dive into the shallow seabed to collect diamond-bearing gravel. It was a tough and risky job, but the rewards were often worth it. However, technology has advanced, making this process more efficient and less dangerous. Today, specialized ships equipped with powerful crawlers and large-scale drills are used to mine diamonds from the seabed far out at sea. These mining ships are like floating factories. They use flexible pipes to suck up gravel from the ocean floor. Imagine a giant vacuum cleaner, but underwater. Sometimes a massive drill mounted on the ship is used to dig into the seabed and bring up the gravel. It's an impressive feat of engineering and a testament to human ingenuity. These methods allow us to reach diamonds that would otherwise remain hidden deep beneath the ocean. The third step in this process is ore processing. This is where the magic really happens, where we begin to extract the diamonds from the ore and gravel collected during mining. First, the diamond-bearing ore and gravel are transported to a primary crusher. Imagine a giant machine that crushes the ore into smaller, more manageable pieces, no larger than 150 millimeters. This makes it easier to handle and process. Sometimes the ore goes through a secondary crusher, known as a roll crusher, so they can reduce its size even further. It's like breaking big rocks into pebbles so they can be sifted through more easily. Next, the ore undergoes scrubbing. This stage is a bit like giving the ore a good wash. The ore is scrubbed to remove any loose excess material, and then it's screened. Any material smaller than 1.5 millimeters is discarded, because extracting diamonds from such small pieces isn't cost effective. This step ensures that we only focus on the pieces that have a good chance of containing diamonds. After scrubbing, the ore moves to dense media separation. This is where science meets magic. The diamond-bearing ore is mixed with a solution of ferrosilicon powder and water, which has a specific relative density. This mixture is then fed into the cyclone, a device that spins the material around and forces a separation. Materials with higher density sink to the bottom, creating a layer of diamond-rich concentrate. It's like a sophisticated game of separating the heavy marbles from the light ones in a spinning bowl. Once we have the diamond-rich concentrate, we move to the recovery stage. This is where we use some clever technology to separate the diamonds from other heavy materials. The concentrate goes through the process that involves magnetic susceptibility, X-ray luminescence, and crystallographic laser fluorescence. Each of these techniques takes advantage of the unique properties of diamonds. For example, diamonds glow when exposed to X-rays. Sensors detect these flashes of light and send signals to a microprocessor. This microprocessor then fires a blast of air at the glowing diamonds, spitting it into a collection box. It's like a high-tech game of catch, where only the diamonds get caught. The entire process from crushing the ore to recovering the diamonds is designed to maximize efficiency and ensure that we extract as many diamonds as possible. It's a blend of heavy machinery and advanced technology, all working together to bring these precious gems to light. The fourth step in our diamonds journey is cleaning, sorting, and packaging. Once the diamonds are collected from the recovery process, they're delivered to a sorting facility. Here, the rough diamonds are cleaned in an acid solution to remove any remaining dirt and impurities. This cleaning process is like giving the diamonds a thorough bath, ensuring they are spotless and ready for sorting. After cleaning, the diamonds are sorted by size, known as carat weight. Each size category is then further sorted into quality ranges, based on the stone's color and clarity. This step is crucial, because it's here that gem-quality diamonds are separated from industrial diamonds. Imagine a careful examination where each diamond is evaluated for its potential beauty and use. The gem-quality diamonds are set aside for use in jewelry, while the others are destined for industrial applications. Next comes the sorting of industrial diamonds. Industrial diamonds are considered a byproduct of the gemstone market. With about 80% of mined diamonds falling into this category, these diamonds are unsuitable for use as gemstones, but are incredibly useful in various industrial applications. Within this category, there's a subcategory of the lowest quality stones, known as bow art. These are mostly opaque and are used for cutting and grinding tools, including diamond-tipped drill bits and saws. Diamond powder, another product from these stones, is used as an abrasive in many industrial processes. The fifth step involves the sale of rough diamonds. Rough diamonds are typically sold through a tender process. During this process, participants view assortments of diamonds and place confidential electronic bids on the parcels that they're interested in. At the end of the tender, the highest bidder wins the parcel. This process ensures that diamonds are fairly priced based on their quality and market demand. The rough diamonds are sold to traders who hold a diamond trading license. These traders then send the diamonds to be cut and polished, transforming them into sparkling gems we see in jewelry stores. Some diamonds are sold directly to retailers, while others are traded on diamond bourses or exchanges around the world. This step marks the transition from rough, uncut stones to the beautiful, polished diamond ready for sale. Finally, the rough diamonds are packaged for transport. They're placed in sealed containers to ensure their safety and integrity. In accordance with the Kimberlite process, these containers are sealed with a tamper-resistant seal and numbered on site. A certificate of origin is also issued, guaranteeing that the diamonds have been sourced ethically and are conflict-free. This step is crucial in maintaining transparency and trust in the diamond industry. An interesting step in diamond making is cutting and polishing. This is where the rough diamonds are transformed into the brilliant gems we all know and love. Diamond cutting is both an art and a science, requiring years of training to master the skills needed to cut and polish diamonds to perfection. The first stage in this process is marking. This involves carefully examining and measuring the rough diamond to note any inclusions or flaws. The diamond marker decides how to cut the diamond to achieve the best possible yield. Sometimes it makes more sense to cut 2 or 3 smaller diamonds from one rough stone to get higher clarity and quality. With the help of advanced 3D laser scanning technology, the diamond is marked to guide the cutter. It's a meticulous process, like planning the perfect slice for a precious cake. Next, the marked rough diamond is placed on a sawing spindle. This spindle has a blade made from copper and a mixture of oil and diamond powder. Interestingly, it's the diamond powder that actually cuts through the rough diamond, not the copper blade. Since diamonds are the hardest known mineral, only a diamond can cut another diamond. The rough diamond is carefully lowered to the blade and cut precisely where it was marked. After sawing, the process moves to bruting and girdling. In this stage, the rough diamond is set onto a dopstick, a metallic rod secured with a special cement. Here, 2 rough diamonds are rubbed together, using friction to wear down the corners until the diamond takes on a round shape. It's like shaping a rough stone into a smooth pebble. The next step is blocking. The diamond is set into a traditional polishing tool called a tang and lowered onto a scaphe. A scaphe is a wheel impregnated with oil and diamond powder that spins at an incredible speed of 3,000 revolutions per minute. The diamond cutter polishes the 4 main crown and 4 main pavilion facets. These facets are then divided into another set of facets, achieving an 8 square shape. This step is crucial as it starts to bring out the diamond's potential brilliance. Bruting and girdling are repeated to ensure the diamond is perfectly round. This second round of bruting fine-tunes the shape, making sure it's just right. Finally, we come to brilliant tearing. This is where the remaining facets are polished and shaped to reflect and refract light optimally. This stage determines how much fire, brilliance, and sparkle the diamond will have. It requires a high level of skill and experience to achieve the ideal proportions and perfect symmetry. The goal is to maximize the diamond's natural beauty, making it shine as brightly as possible. The entire cutting and polishing process is a blend of art and precision, turning rough stones into stunning gems. It's fascinating to think about the journey each diamond takes, from being a rough, unpolished stone deep within the earth to a sparkling gem that captures light and hearts alike. Each step from marking to brillianteering plays a vital role in transforming these natural wonders into the dazzling diamonds we treasure. Now, diamonds come in a stunning array of colors that go far beyond the classic white. While white diamonds have been prized for their timeless beauty and brilliant sparkle, colored diamonds capture our imagination with their unique and vibrant hues, each telling its own special story. To appreciate colored diamonds, we first need to understand how white diamonds are graded. The Gemological Institute of America, GIA, developed a widely accepted color grading scale from D to Z to measure the absence of color in diamonds. Diamonds in the D to F range are considered colorless and are highly valued for their pure look. Those in the G to J range are nearly colorless, showing only slight hints of color. As we move down the scale from K to Z, diamonds start to show increasing shades of yellow or brown. But beyond this, D to Z ranges lie to fascinating world of fancy colored diamonds. These diamonds come in a variety of captivating colors, with yellow and brown being the most common. You can also find them in stunning shades of pink and blue, and exceptionally rare colors like red, green, purple, or orange. Colors in these diamonds are caused by specific chemical elements present during their formation. For example, nitrogen gives diamonds a yellow color, while boron results in blue diamonds. Because of their rarity and unique beauty, colored diamonds are often more valuable than their white counterparts. Now let's talk about inclusions in diamonds. Inclusions are natural internal features that form under the extreme pressure and heat inside the Earth. These characteristics can tell us a lot about a diamond's age, formation, and quality. While flawless diamonds without any inclusions are very rare, most inclusions are so small that they can't be seen without magnification. These tiny imperfections add character to each diamond, making every one unique. One common type of inclusion is the pinpoint inclusion, which looks like a tiny black or white dot on the diamond's surface. These dots are usually minerals or crystals trapped inside the diamond. Feathers are another type of inclusion, referring to small cracks or fractures. Depending on the angle, feather inclusions can look transparent or show a whitish feather-like appearance when they reflect light. Diamonds can also have crystal inclusions, which are small diamond fragments or other trapped minerals. Lastly, cloud inclusions appear as clusters of tiny pinpoints or crystals, giving a cloud-like appearance. All inclusions are key in determining a diamond's clarity. They also add to its individuality and charm. Each inclusion is like a fingerprint, making every diamond one of a kind. Let's move on to treatments and enhancements. Only a small number of gem-quality diamonds undergo treatments, usually to improve their clarity or color. For clarity enhancement, one common method is laser drilling. This technique involves creating a tiny hole in the diamond, with a laser to reach and lighten a dark inclusion. This process is permanent and cannot be undone. Another clarity treatment is fracture filling, where a glass-like substance is infused into fractures to improve the diamond's appearance. However, fracture-filled diamonds might lose some color and become cloudy over time. This treatment is especially effective for filling clear feather-type inclusions. Color enhancements are also used to alter the diamond's hue. One popular method is high-pressure, high-temperature (HPHT) treatment, which can make slightly brownish diamonds appear whiter. This process can also intensify the color of slightly tinted diamonds, resulting in striking colors like pink or blue. It's important to note that color-enhanced diamonds are generally less valuable than natural-colored diamonds, since the color change is not natural. While treatments can improve certain aspects of diamonds, it's crucial for buyers to know about these enhancements and for sellers to disclose them. This transparency ensures that buyers can make informed decisions and fully appreciate the true value of their diamonds. So what are your thoughts on the challenging process of diamond mining? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.